guys, we're getting to this antenna. So there's all these 10mm bolts you've got to take out here, down there, and then this clip, it's got to come out. Let's see how that works. Yeah, so might have to mess with it or something, but there you go. And this other one down here. So I've got other clips. Okay, so to take the rear part off, you don't really have to mess with the front part. So there's a 10mm here we're going to take off and see what happens. Some things connected, so yeah. Okay guys, so I did a little test fit of the new antenna and mast. You can say back there is the old lead. There's an existing smaller one. Don't ask me what that is. I'm a Nissan guy. So now we have kind of the checkpoint of everything, getting ready. Again, this is an overview. You have to go on YouTube to find out how to remove all this. Basically start from the console and work your way forward to pop up these panels. So we are completely eliminating the motorized antenna, disconnect it there, and then you'll need to save this boot, but we're going to chop off that lead there so we can run our new lead forward. May try to save this to help drag the new cable through there. Okay, so your new unit, you'll want to take off the parts and feed it in through from the underside. Okay guys, so you're going to feed it through, and you may be able to see the light right there, but this is below the glove box. This is where the glove box is, and then there's your blower right there, and then there's your little thing. So we kept our boot. There's our boot. And so we're gonna cut this guy and put him in and just kind of plug up that hole. So here's the lead. So we're gonna tuck it through here. It's a 4 foot, so let's hope it reaches the radio. I think it should. All right guys, so 4 foot was barely enough, because that's it, and it plugs in right here, and I just put it back and put it all together, do a test run, and make sure you put everything back together. So that's the glove box. Take the glove box out and the little air duct that goes between there. So hope this helped. 18 bucks, not bad. Okay guys, last step, you'll need to sort this boot out right through here. There was no easy way to feed it through the other end, so we're just going to get a razor and slice it in half, put it on there, put some silicone in there, make sure that hole doesn't leak, and wrap everything up. So I'm sorry, it was $12 antenna, mast, base, and everything. It's crooked, but shoot, it works. Maybe you can fumble with this thing to make it stand up. Okay, so these are some of the little secure fasteners you'll need. They got square on one end and then this little plastic washer. Check Toyota or O'Reilly, something like that.